There's a little video that has a hot trick that you can use when you're on a hot date to impress your date. You bet your date, hey, I bet I can balance this fork and spoon on my cup, and if I can balance it on my cup with a toothpick, then I win love and affection. Your fork and your spoon, and you jam them together like this. They really like that if you're at a restaurant. You take your toothpick, and I like to shove it in the bottom rung, and you gotta just kind of find the spot.
You gotta go left or right, out and in, until you find the spot that is just right.
This is, man, this will make the girl just swoon. They'll be so impressed. No strings attached. Look at that. Sexy. Oh man, chicks, you hear that? She came and whispered sexy right in the mirror. Look at that. Table got bumped, it's still sitting there. That's the power of science.